Welcome to Try This Next, your go-to for beauty tech hacks. Today, top 5 pro-grade high ROI makeup tools, silicone blenders, precision brow razors, modular brush sets, and more. No artist needed. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. Silicone Sponge Blender. Number 2. LED Vanity Mirror with Adjustable Color Temps. Number 3. Precision Brow Razor. Number 4. Magnetic Brush Set and Holder. Number 5. Extendable Makeup Organizer Tray. Thanks for watching Try This Next. Click the links in the description to upgrade your kit. Subscribe and ring the bell.